Hello and welcome to day 2 of this. I'll solve the Taskmaster Advent Calendar. Yes, and sorry, I hid that's Laura and I'm Gareth.
Hi.
And here we go.
Yay.
Now, yesterday we worked out that day 2 was here, where someone sat on a chair with all his
underneath
socks.
the stripy sock.
Yeah. All right. Little Alex Horn is 6'2", and the 2 is underlined.
2 is underlined.
Which, as puzzle authors, we would suggest it means meaningful. Whilst Greg towers over him at 6'8".
6'8". That's did he catch yours?
I have no idea, but if so, that's
he is very tall.
freakishly tall. And in there, there's more than just an envelope. There's some stuff.
Lovely.
And there's a picture inside. We'll have a look at that in a minute.
With our close-up camera.
Should we see what's on the envelope?
Let's have a look. Yeah, I think we're allowed to read these.
Yeah,
what
we
does it
certainly
say?
are, so we're not going to solve the day.
What am I? You have until tomorrow. Your time starts now.
Top hint.
Great.
Right, I'll throw that away. We've got some pencils though.
Okay. Oh,
They have writing on, and look, there are a lot of them.
Is there a riddle?
Oh, and you can separate them.
Yeah, we'll probably put them in order, and it will reveal a riddle, and then the answer to that riddle is the thing.
I turn with the wind, helping grip wind paths. Is that what it says? And tires alike from morning to night. Grain comes in, and mind your what? A powder flows out. And on the back, does it have different bits of...
Oh, yeah.
So what's your step? Without my work, no bread, no doubt. I'm found on souls, grinding all day, or the waters might. I think it's going to rhyme. Are slick or spike. And at the bottom, or now at the top, it says, without me, you might slip instead. There are many, many bits of riddle here. Now, the question is, are we assembling it... Obviously, the pencils look different. So are we assembling it based on our own English skills, or are we're supposed to be working it out?
It's got to be a colour code, I reckon. Can we have a look inside the room?
Oh, yeah, let's look in the room.
So we're supposed to be looking for an object each day, and that object will tell us which door to open next. So we're looking for an object for day 3.
Right, so here's day 2.
He's got his lovely pineapple.
And lots of felt tip pens. Oh, no, this is the colour scheme.
Yeah, we want them in rainbow order.
Right, okay. And over here is a rainbow. And on the other wall, some
books and a banana.
Ooh, banana. And a pineapple.
Lots to go on. Yeah, I noticed a few pineapples. That's the theme. I believe that's a Taskmaster reference.
So, right, maybe we're going to need them another day.
Okay.
All right.
So I think we're going to get 2 riddles here because we've got words printed on the back and the front of each pencil. So when we've lined them up, obviously there'll be 2 options.
Well, are they the same colour on the back? So this is blue on the front.
Oh, yeah.
And on the back, it's blue.
It's also blue.
So we're just sorting in rainbow order. Now, are there 7? There are 7. So it's another little hint there.
This is all promising. Lovely. I think one of these, based on some of the scraps of Clue, is going to be like a windmill or something.
I thought maybe a wind. You know, one of those things on top of a building that spins around with a hen. What do you call those?
Oh, a weather vane.
A weather vane.
A hen?
Well, you could be a chicken.
Oh, I would have put a witch on top of it. Oh,
a witch?
Yeah, on top of a weather vane.
No, you always have like a chicken.
I saw a great one with a fish once.
Do you feel clucky? Right.
Okay.
Well, thank you for laughing at my terrible joke.
You're so welcome.
So, rainbow order is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, right?
Famously.
Red.
Learning with Gareth.
Oh, thank you. That's kind.
And found on souls.
Red, orange. Oh, now, do you guys make them point the same way?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
I'm found on souls and tires alike. Red, orange.
Rubber.
Yellow. Green.
Helping grip when paths are slick or spike.
Blue.
Without me, you might slip instead. And mind your... what? Head? So watch your step and mind your head.
That's got a comma.
I think it
Maybe
might
it continues over the back.
These 2 might be the other way around, actually.
Oh, right. Well, I wasn't sure which... I thought presumably the darker one would go
I would have thought that too, but I think...
So I'm found on souls and tires alike, helping grip when paths are slick or spike. Great meter. Without me, you might slip instead. So watch your step and mind your head.
Head?
Include head.
So head is 1.
Should we write head on it in case we forget? Because, you know, being people...
I've actually got a little...
You've got somewhere else to write it down.
Here's one I made earlier.
But I do think I've achieved a lot by managing to write head as illegibly as possible.
Yeah, I think you've done a beautiful job there. And then hopefully we can just seamlessly flip them over. And we're looking at our weather vane with the chicken on top. I think it's a windmill. I turn with the wind, or the water's might, grinding all day from morning to night. Grain comes in, a powder flows out. Without my work, no bread, no doubt. Love that. That's got to be a windmill. So we've got head and windmill.
Head and windmill. Why have we got 2 things? Are they both on the same door?
Will they be on the same thing? Let's have a look.
Well, there's a head.
There's a weather vane there.
Ooh. But it's not a windmill.
But it's not a windmill.
Well, we've got the head. So how do we know? Do we draw between them? Oh, that's not... There's nothing in between them except this bit of space here.
Let's just check if there's any other things that look a bit like...
relevant?
Yeah. I think like a windmill.
Well, I mean, there's a head, but it's attached to a body, I want to say.
Yeah. A mannequin, I think.
Yeah.
There's a toaster with bread.
Where? Here.
Yeah.
A lot of bread.
Why would we have 2?
Yeah, why would we have 2? Is that... Maybe we were supposed to select one based on the clue in the room. What does it actually say on here? Oh, that was a bit energetic. Oh, it's upside down. They printed that the wrong way up. What am I? You have until tomorrow. What am I?
What am I?
That's the entirety of the clue, to be clear.
Windmill head. Head windmill.
Yeah, oh, are we supposed to combine them?
Head mill.
Yeah, head. I didn't think we were combining them
Head.
English-wise.
What else have we got?
Another one of those pineapples. There are sort of other heads, like the top of this snowman, which is there. And there's obviously a head and a cow and so forth.
There's a gargoyle.
Maybe it's the head of a windmill.
Mannequins.
Or maybe it's meant to be this because it hasn't got a head on it, though, has it?
Treadmill?
Oh, headmill.
Treadmill. Oh, a tread. A tread is on a tyre. A tread is on a shoe. Those are the things that it said in the riddle.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. Have we got rid of the...
Yeah, I threw it away.
Let's have a look again.
All right, I've just stuck all the things back together. Let's zoom in. So back to the riddle. I turn with the wind or the water's might, grinding all day from morning to night. Grain comes in, a powder flows out. Without my work, no bread, no doubt. It's
No bread, no
definitely
doubt. That's mill.
a mill.
I think the other one is tread.
Oh, you think it's just mill, not windmill?
No, I think it's mill.
I'm found on soles. Sorry about the tape. Found on soles and tyres alike, helping grip when paths are slick or spike. Without me, you might slip instead. So watch your step and mind your what? So it's head.
Tread. I think it's tread.
Oh.
Like the tread you would get on the sole of a shoe.
That made no sense, head, before, but
Yeah.
I was so confident.
I know, because you mind your head, don't you? Like it's...
Yeah, I was just completed
Mind the gap.
I completed that one on its own. I
Yeah.
ignored everything before it.
Yeah, it's all good.
So it's tread
tread
and mill.
Treadmill.
And conveniently, it's right here.
Hooray!
Do you
So it
want to
should
open
say...
it?
No, you can do it.
Should say day 3.
Dun,
It does say day 3.
Yay! All right.
There we go. We've successfully solved it.
Hooray!
And so what we're supposed to do at the end of the day is identify, for the posterity's sake, that this is day 3 here. But to be honest, we're not going to
Amazing.
forget, are we? My permanent marker is very unpermanent. at the moment.
Impermanent.
Impermanent,
Alas.
yeah. There we go. Hope you enjoyed that. Do join us for day 3.
See you there.
Bye.
Bye.